So this summer I was determined to do something different, do something out of the normal, do something that nobody would expect me to do. Take a vacation. And here it is. Yeah, hit me. What you got?
Hello again. This is episode 2 with Prepared Patty or Paparazzi Patty or I don't know what else we could possibly name this. But we're going to show you the, oh my goodness, Patty in the P&W!
You just came up with a shot.
Yes.
I'm on recording, Patty.
You missed my moment.
Yes, I completely missed
Oh,
it.
come on.
I know, I'm coming.
Are we doing this again?
Might as well.
No, let's not.